And our bite of the week comes from a resident of Majestic Gardens. He was detailing how he rescued a woman who was washed away by flood waters. Here's our bite of the week.
When me look is a woman, me see her come down in the gully. So me say, wait on there, Shabal. I say, help me. Me can't swim, me I go dead. And me say, hold on on the pallet there. Because the pallet there come down side and she hold on the pallet. And me run go under the gully. But how the gully a bubble, the pallet flick over with her. And me no see her. So me I say, wait, she gone. But oh, she float up back. She come against the banking now. And a floater come down on her face. Same way as how, just watch it, same way as how you see me stay, so she a floater come down. So I just grab her in her neck. So I hold on the gully with her foot here. Let me spin around and show you. Hold on the gully with her foot here. And stretch over in the gully. So when she a float come across now, I just grab her in her neck. And just lift her up, so I hold her with her and she say, no, make me dead. I say, nah, make you dead, man. Everything all right.